Good morning, gamers. It's me, T1Muir. I received this package right here. It's from McBaise. I don't know if you know him, but he's like a cool musician. I really like him. Anyway, the package is looking kinda sus, but let's see what is inside. Okay, let's open it. What is this? Some kind of a blue card that says hell on it. Very cool. I'm going to keep it. What else? What else do we have in there? Have anything else inside? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Okay, guys, check this out. This is some Wagyu A5 ribeye tomahawk steak flops, meat flops. No, meat flops sound horrible, but yeah, look at them. Flip-flops are nice and stiff, high quality, plastic, environment ruining materials probably. I wore them for about a week or so and they held up pretty well, which is impressive considering my experience with dollar store flip-flops. Of course, these are not dollar store, these were in fact very expensive. I mean, $15 isn't that much, but also the shipping was so fucking, like, I don't know. Lastly, I want to say a big thanks to Voronoi. This is actually, he made the music you're listening to right now. So please, if you like acoustics, bass guitars, or songs in Catalan, you have to go check him out. Thank you very much for watching. Love you. Bye bye.